Yan, first personal foul. And on the second quarter game, we had a score of 55-38 in favor of Barangay Tres. Last game, 30 under category between Barangay San Juan and Barangay Recreo. The semifinals game 1 of the best of 3 series. Back to the Cartal for the third quarter game. This is the semifinals game 1 between Barangay Tres and Barangay Pantan. Feria, dribble ball by Feria. Set the play by Feria. Pasto, jersey number 3. Jersey number 3, stop it. Pasto, jersey number 14. No! Another opportunity. No! Rebound by Jedinas to Bukak. To Salada, to Sanchez, fake. His shot short. D1 is there for the putback. St. Paul. Judilas, basket for the boys. Feria. Sanchez O'Neal. Extra pass under goal now basket. Rebound by Bukak. Bukak to Salarda. Salarda dribble ball looking for fitting by Salarda. Fast to Tigua. To Jidilas. Intercept by Feria. Basket for 2 points by jersey number 9. Jersey number 3 rather. Basket for 2 points by Salarda. Saralian. First for 3. Bang! Diwa. Dribble ball. Pass to Salarda. Salarda. Extra pass to Bukaka. To goal no basket. Jersey number 3 for the rebound. Jersey number 11. To Feria. No. Diwa on the rebound. Dribbling on the run. Extra pass to Junilas. Basket for the points. Working by Peria. Pass to jersey number 11. Back to Peria. Shot clock time. Shot clock 5. Substitution. Shot clock 5. Whistle committed by jersey number. Substitution. Canalion on the 15-foot lane. Second throw possession play by Canalion. Basket for 1 point by Canalion. Gustavo, extra pass to Bukak, basket for 2 points. Jersey number 3, intercept by Gustavo. Gustavo to Salarda. Salarda, no! Another opportunity by Salarda. No basket, so strong. While we saw committed by jersey number 11. Penalty na rin. Penalty na. Substitution. Sub. Salarda. Diwa fires for 3 points. Jersey number 2. Attacked by 2. By Wisdom. Committed by jersey number 11 again. Remaining time 5 minutes and 49 seconds. Cinco minutos ke 49 segundos setelah bilang. First attempt no basket, second throw ball set play. Basket for 1 point stop. Jesus was to Gustavo. Gustavo set the play. Gustavo dribble the ball. Pass to D1. No basket. Dribble by Canalion. Canalion dribbling on the run. Canalion attack on the middle. Basket for 2 points. Jersey number 2. And Lassen again performs by Canalion. And substitution. Sub. Diwan, dribble ball, looking for winning with Diwan. Diwan with the little Vasto, Gustavo back to Diwan. Diwan. Extra pass to Disos, yes, in the glass. Basket for 2 points. First for 3 in the basket. Jersey number 10 for the rebound, no. Judilas for the rebound. Judilas. Fast to Bukag. And last touch by Jersey number 14. In substitution. Traveling violation. Peria, dribble ball. It's the Rasado window. Basket for the points. Gustavo, dribble ball. Looking for opening by Gustavo. Gustavo. Gustavo, the leader. Gustavo, set the play. Gustavo, pass to D1. D1, no. Rebound by these dos. Shot clock 5. Shot clock violation. Simple. Shot clock 12. 3 minutes and 9 seconds remaining time. Go. Bukag for the rebound. 3 minutes left. Two minutes and 50 seconds. By whistle, committed by jersey number 18. Blocking foul. Third personal foul by D1. Substitution. Jersey number 14 on the 15-foot lane. First attempt basket, Siga draws the play. Bukag for the rebound. And lost the dribble and another turnover. 2 minutes and 40 seconds remaining time. Foul. Committed by jersey number 14, pushing foul. Second personal foul by the Esos. First attempt basket, second repulsive play. D1, dribble ball by D1. Pass to D-Sauce. Back to D1. Shot clock 14. D-Sauce. Traveling violation. Basket for the point. 2 minutes left. Gasaba, no. Jesus for the rebound. Pass to Gasaba. Gasaba. Another chance, no. 1 minute and 14 seconds. Henderson by D1. Tubuka. Basket for the point. 1 minute and 29 seconds. Substitution. Sub. Henderson by Feria. Attacking by D1. It's the pass to the middle. Tanayan, no. D1 for the rebound. Henderson. First, no. Tanayan is there for the putback. 45 segundos. Cuarenta. 37.5 seconds. 37.5 seconds. Basket for 3 points. 25. 20. Shot clock 15. 10. 5. And on the third quarter, with a score of 72-63 in favor of Barangay Tres. Last game, 30 under between Barangay Recreo and Barangay San Juan. Semi-finals, game 1. To the top for the fourth and the final quarter game. This is the semi-finals, game 1. D1 to Gasabo. Takes a pass to Salarda. Salarda to D1. Back to Gasabo. March for 3. Short. Salarda for the rebound. Takes a pass to Bukag. The strong move. No. Sanalion for the sky high rebound. Sanalion extra pass. Henderson. Sanalion. Quick and last inside. Using the glass basket for 2 points. Yes, I'm going to do one. To the last. By whistle. Committed by jersey number 99. Pushing foul. First personal foul. Generasi. Oh, dalla Coseria. Tugas Sabo. Instabilamente. Salah double rebound. Intercept by jersey number 99. Pasto. Salah Leon. Yes! The basket. That Tugas Sabo with foul. Jersey number 18. G1. Fourth personal foul. Salah Leon go to the line and one more. That 3 points opportunity. Complete 3 points by Salah Leon in substitution. To the Sabo, attack in the middle, it's a pass and lost Firia, dribble ball pass to Salah Leon, dribble ball, takes a pass to jersey number 1, attack in the middle, basketball 2 points. With a score of 72-70, 2.3 para Barangay 3. Judelas, play whistle. Time out, Barangay 3. Remaining time 7 minutes and 54 seconds on the fourth and the final quarter game. Let's call it up. Jersey number 99. Gustavo. Pass to D1. Dribble ball. There's a pass to Bukag. Go! Basket for 2 points. Salah Leon, dribble ball. Looking for me by Salah Leon. Pass to Feria. Save the ball. And lost the ball in out of bounds. Remaining time 7 minutes and 26 seconds. D1 to Gasaba. No! Rubaba in Tanalian by Wilson. Committed by jersey number 10. 7 minutes and 10 seconds remaining time. 7 minutos kag 10 segundos sa arbina. Second personal foul by Johnny Lasso. Saralya. Attacking by D1. It's a pass. And save ball. 11 seconds to shoot. Shot clock 11. Henderson by Giovanni Salarra. Salarra is in the glass. Basket for 2 points. Simon Barangay Panta. Remaining time 6 minutes and 46 seconds. With a score of 76-17. 6-point lead from Barangay Tres. Jersey number 2. With the ball, grabbing violation. 6 minutes and 34 seconds remaining time. Judilas. Jump ball. Favoring Sara Iyas ng Barangay Panta. Jersey number 2, basket for the points. Salarga. Basket for 2 points by Casaco. Six minutes left. Feria, fake. Then dribble by Feria. Feria, extra pass. Henderson by Salarga. Pass to Jornelas. Jornelas. Easy 2 points. Basket for 2 points. Five minutes and 20 seconds remaining time. Shot clock 1. Well, 4 minutes and 55 seconds remaining time. Judilas, he is in the class. Basket for 2 points. No, good cut for the rebound. Well, we fall. Cuatro minutos con 30 segundos na lang bilhin. Cuatro minutos con 30 segundos na lang bilhin. Good teams, may dua-dua pa mga time out ha. Simon Barangay Tres. Remaining time 4 minutes and 30 seconds. Barangay 3. Bunkag! Right whistle. Committed by jersey number 7 for illegal use of hands. Feria, third personal foul. Person that was that second propulsion play. Remaining time 4 minutes and 29 seconds on the fourth and final quarter game. St. Paul. Gasapo. Dribble ball, Pasto, Salarda using the glass. Basket for the Reds. Chanalion. Dribble ball by Chanalion. The Peria versus for 3. No. Peria again, the second opportunity. No. Jersey number 3. Basket for the Reds. 3 minutes and 50 seconds remaining time. Gustavo, dribble ball, cross the Bunkag, to Ilsana, to Diwan, basket for the boys by Giwan. 3 minutes and 25 seconds. Feria. High whistle. Committed by jersey number 11. Blocking foul. Salarda, fourth personal foul. Feria, extra pass. No pass. High whistle. Committed by jersey number 16. Gasapo, third personal foul. Jersey number 14 on the 15-foot lane. First and basket. Sika throw balls the play. Wilson for the rebound. On the traffic, Pasto. Salarda to Gasapo dribble ball. Pasto, Salarda. 13 to shoot. Turn around and shot now. Another opportunity for Barangay 3. Diwan for 3. 2 minutes and 40 seconds remaining time. No.